Namaste Vidya. I, JV Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is data, what is database and how to create a table. So basically what is data? Data is a fact which is related to any object in consideration like your age, your name, your height, your weight. These are the example of the data related to you. Like a picture, image, file, PDF, that etc can also be considered a data. And what is database? Database is a systematic collection of data. It store and manage and manipulate the data. So database make data management easy. Let's discuss few examples. First, an online telephone directory would definitely use database to store data like your phone number, your contact detail, etc. Another example we take your electricity service, which provide is obviously using a database to manage billing, client related issues, to handle fault data, etc. Now let also consider the Facebook. It need to store, manipulate, and present data related to member, their friend, member activities, message, advertisement, and many more. Now we can provide countless number of example for uses of database. Let's see a table in which we create a student data. So first one, that is your student table in which we create a serial number, ID, name, address, and contact. And this is the whole data. Now we see how we can make the table in a database. So first you create a table, create table. Table name is your student, and what attribute we use in a table, that is serial number, ID, name, address, and contact number. So first we take serial number, that is your number data type because we use number in a serial number. So serial number is a number data type. Second, we take ID. ID is also a number data type. Third, we use name. Name is a character. We can also use a variable and character like your address. Address is Jaipur 001 या D26 Jaipur Bapunagar etc. Like 32 Mansarovar Jaipur. So this is a variable and character. Now we use name as a var. Var stands for variable and char stands for character. Then we give a data size like 24. Why? Because your address like a D26 Bapu Nagar, Jaipur, Rajasthan pin code is 30200001. So this address contain a 27 character, yeah, 28 character. If we didn't give any number, that means address is 1. So it is possible your address is 1, here your address is A, your address is J. No, so that we use only a number, data size number, which is your 24, 23, 26, 27, and many more. It's all depend on you. Now we take name. Name we already take is a varchar. Then we take address. Address is a varchar. Var stand for variable and char stand for character. Now this is the data size for this character and this variable. Next, contact. Contact is your number. So you can use a contact number. And at the last of this statement, we use semicolon because this semicolon is known as the termination of the code. If you are not using semicolon, that your statement is not completed. Your statement will be continued. After creation table, the output, you want to see your output. Then output like this, output like this, output will be, how can you check your output? Select asterisk from student. Clear? Now you write select asterisk from student. Select means you want to display. Asterisk stand for all the data, all information which is stored in the student table. Clear? Like display all the data, all the information which is stored in the student table. So, are you take the number in a table? No. In this table, you only create. So, the number data will not display. Now, we insert a table. Insert a table like after this statement, we insert a table. And how can we check table is prepared or not? So you select, you display, describe student. After writing this statement, your table output will be ID, name, address, contact, and here is your serial number. Serial number is a number type. ID is your number type. Name is your varchar, which is 24. Address is varchar, which is 25. And the contact is the number. So after writing this statement, you can see this type of output. If you want to make your table in the primary key in which your ID is not repeated, your name is not repeated, and your contact number is not repeated. In a single house, two students may be, but in a university, in a college, a single student have a single unique identity, unique ID. Okay. So if you want to make a table unique, then you create a table by using a primary key. You use primary key in a table by adding in ID, by adding in your name, in your address and what you want. Now we insert a data in a table. So what is the command for insertion? So insertion command is insert command. We have four insert command. First, insert into student values. So what is the value we want? First, 1, name, ID is 01, name, Nishu, address is Jaipur, and contact is 9982. Clear? So after the using of this insert command, this insert command is insert into student value. Means we insert the table, we insert the value in a student table. So the values is one is for using for serial number, one is used for 01 is used for ID, Nishu is used for name, and Jaipur is used for address, and 9982 is used for contact. This is the first command. Now we use second insertion command. Second insertion command is insert into student values like ID, name, their values is 2, 0, 2, and name is 21. By using this command, by using this insertion command, we only insert some specific value like ID or name only. We didn't need any serial number, address, contact. We can take only ID and name. If you want to add serial number, ID, name, address, contact, you are using this one table, this one insertion command. In a specific content you want to insert your data, then use second one condition. The third one condition is insert into student values ampersand ID, ampersand name, ampersand address. By using this command, system want to take your side output. Like you enter a number, enter your ID, enter your name, enter your address. Then computer asks to you, what is the name, what is the ID, what is the address, what is the contact number. Then you enter my ID is this one, and my name is this one, and my address is this. So kind of output is this type of output you will display on your screen. Enter ID, because you enter ID, name and address. So enter ID is 02, enter name, enter ID is 3, enter name is Hindu, enter address, address is Jaipur. Clear? But one more thing you have to know. First, if you are using if you are using single quotes here before using ampersand name and ampersand address, then no need to add single quotes in the out. But you didn't apply any single quotes in the name and the address. You have to you have to join a single quotes in a output. Now we take a third insertion command. The third insertion command is, fourth insertion command is insert all and into student values. Insert into the student values. Value is 4, Bhavna, Ajmer, 6784. Clear? Then you have to enter. Write down and key to remember. Here we didn't apply any single code. Why? Because this is not anti-termination. We use insert all command. If I want to insert 2, 3, 4 multiple table and multiple row in a single time, then we use insert all command. Second, this command all insert student values. Value is 5, Varsha, Bihar, 2657. After that, we use select asterisk from dual. Here we use dual. Dual means in the memory you have to store your all data, your single all data in a particular table. You have to note that in all the previous insertion command, we use only single and specific and particular values you have to store. But in this table, by insert all command, you have to insert all the table, all the row, all the column in a single table. You have to add 2, 3 and more than 2 table in a single command. Okay. Now at the last you use select asterisk from dual, so that the values of the student table. Now we take second example. If you have a one student table and second is employee table or teacher table, then you have to add insert into student values. Student value is this, into teacher values, and teacher values is this. Then the teacher value property store in a teacher table and the student value property store in a student table by using select asterisk from the dual. All the values store in a particular dual memory. Clear? Now, after using this, all the insert command, what is the output and how can we check our output? This type of output. So this is the command select asterisk from student. Select asterisk from student. By using this select asterisk from student, this is the output we have to create by using insertion command. All insertion command. You have to take any insertion command. Insert for a single table, insertion for a particular table, insert for a specific some column, and insert for a multiple table. But in this example, we have only one table, that is a student table. But you have a multiple table, then you can use insertion for all commands. Now by using this, the output like this. If you are doing any job in a in any sector and your boss want to know a time, so what you do? You can check a time by using a simple desktop time on your phone, on your mobile. But by using this table, you can also check time. You can also check time, and you can also check your date by using a command. So, what is the command for using for checking a time and table? This is the command. And if you want to check your system name, if you want to check your name, then you use select username, user ID from dual. Select username, user ID from dual. So you can check your user ID and username. User ID will be system and user ID is 5. If you are using Windows 7, then your user ID will be 5. And if you are using Windows 10, then your user ID will be 9. It's all dependent on your operating system. Then remaining your system name will be same. If you are using any type of operating system. Second, now you know your system name. What is your system name? Your system, your username is your system. Select sys name, select sys date, comma sys timestamp from dual. Select sys date, comma sys timestamp from dual. You can see your system date. You can check your system timestamp. Timestamp means you can timestamp means your time zone, your date, your month, your year, and everything about the time, everything about the date. You can see by using the timestamp. So, what is the timestamp and what is the sys date? How can we check by using this command? So, output will be like this. Sys date. Sys date is your sys date 2nd October 2020, and what is your says timestamp? So this timestamp is 2 October 2020, 2 o'clock 53 millisecond, and 15 plus 30 is your time. You can see everything about your time by using this command. Clear? Now I want to update a table in which we have to store a Varsha. So in the place of Varsha, we add Ayushi. So what is the command for updation? What is the command in which we update a table, we update a row by using a update command. So what is the update command? Update. What do you want to update? We want to update a student table. So update student. What you set in the place of Varsha, you have to set name. Name equals to Ayushi. Where name equals to Varsha, or we can also write where where ID equals to 05, where address equals to Bihar, where contact number equals to 2657. According to you, you can change your after the where command. You can change name, ID, serial number, address, contact. So after using this, your output will be like this. Now you have to alter your student table name. If you want to change your student table into a teacher table, then you write this command alter table student to teacher. First and second one, rename student to teacher. You can use both command for changing the table name by alter command and by rename command. If you want to modify the size, here we use 24 character in a name and 25 character in a number. Now I want to add 35 character in a name and 40 character in a address. Then query will be alter table teacher. Why teacher? Because you have to update previously a student table into a teacher table. So alter table teacher, modify name varchar 35 and modify address varchar 45. Clear? So now you have a name. This include 35 character and address which include 45 character. I hope आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा what is a table and how can we create a table. So thank you for watching us. Thank you.